Morning students, today I am going to give you the concept of exponents. Here a to the power m, a is known as base, m is known as power or index. Plural form of index is known as indices. There are certain rules which you should know in order to solve the sums based on exponents. Rule number 1, a to the power m into a to the power n. If base is same and it is in the form of multiplication, we simply add up the power. A to the power m plus n. For example, if I am writing 2 to the power 5 into 2 to the power 3, here base is 2, power is 5 and 3, and it is given in multiplication. So we need to simply add up the power. So it will be 2 to the power 5 plus 3, that is 2 to the power 8. This becomes your answer. Rule number 2. A to the power m divided by a to the power n. If base is same and it is given in the form of division, we simply subtract the power. That is a to the power m minus n. Power gets subtracted. Same example, if we will take 2 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 3. Since base is same and it is in division, so base remains 2, division power is 5 minus 3. So power becomes 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 to the power 2 is 4. This becomes the answer. Rule number 3. A to the power m whole to the power n. So here what happens, power gets multiplied. When you open the bracket, so m into n, it becomes mn. For example, if I am taking 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 4. So base remains 2, 5 into 4 is 20. So it becomes 20. 2 to the power 20 is the answer. Rule number 4, anything to the power 0. If anything to the power 0 is there, is simply we write it as 1. So whatever the number will be, if we are writing 1000 to the power 0, for this also the answer will be 1. Rule number 5, a to the power m whole to the power minus 1. If the power is given in negative, so simply what we write, we just reciprocal it. So it will be 1 by a to the power m. For example, if it is written 2 to the power minus 5, so simply it can be written as 1 by 2 to the power 5. And if small power is there, we can calculate and give the answer. If the power is given in bigger form, we express as it is. In the previous formula number 3, the sum that we have seen, here simply we have expressed 2 to the power 20. Because here 2 we need to multiply 20 times. So we are not going to multiply and get the answer. And here 2 to the power 5 is 32. So this becomes the answer. So we are going to discuss few questions from the exercise which will help you to understand the basic concept. I think so these 5 formulas clear for you, and you need to remember only one thing. If the base is same, then only we can use the concept of exponents. Suppose that this is question number 1. 7 to the power 5 by 6 into 7 to the power 2 by 3. So here you will see the base is same and it is in multiplication. So as I have told you, if it is in multiplication, we will add up the power. So it is 7 to the power 5 by 6 plus 2 by 3. So here LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. So you are going to write 6. You write 5 here. 3 2s are 6. 2 into 2 is 4. So here 7 to the power 5 plus 4 is 9 by 6. This you can reduce. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. So the final answer becomes 7 to the power 3 by 2. This is the simplified answer. In the same way, this is next question. If it is given 5 to the power 6 by 7 divided by 5 to the power 2 by 3. So what we will do, first we will write 5, and since it is in division we need to subtract the power. So it is 6 by 7 minus 2 by 3. So here LCM of 7 and 3 will be 21. 7 3s are 21. 3 into 6 is 18 minus 3 7s are 21. 7 into 2 is 14. So here 5 to the power 18 minus 14, you are getting 4 by 21. So this becomes your answer. In the same way, this is next question. Three to the power 1 by 3 whole to the power 4. So here we are going to use the concept, the formula that I have given, a to the power m whole to the power n. We need to simply multiply the power. So it is a to the power mn. So here 3 to the power 1 by 3 into 4. So it becomes 3 to the power 4 by 3. This becomes the answer. Now let us solve some more questions based on the exercise. These were the basic questions that we have discussed. Suppose that the question is x to the power b by x to the power c whole to the power b plus c minus a into x to the power c by x to the power a whole to the power c plus a minus b. And the third part is x to the power a by x to the power b whole to the power a plus b minus c. Now let us solve this question. First we will start with the basic concept. Since it is in division, base is same, it is in division, we will subtract the power. So first step we will write x to the power b minus c whole to the power, it is given b plus c minus a. We will put a bracket so that it will become easier for us to understand. Here x to the power c minus a, and here outside it is given c plus a minus b. In the same way, here we can write a minus b, and outside it is given a plus b minus c. Next step we are going to expand it. See, here x to the power this much into x to the power this much into x to the power this much. So since we know if it is in multiplication, we need to add up the power. So we add up the power. So it is b minus c, b plus c minus a. Yes, here c minus a and c plus a minus b. Yes, a minus b, and here a plus b minus c. Now what we need to do, we need to just expand and solve it, reduce it, and we will get the answer. So b will get multiplied with all three terms. So b, here we will write b plus c minus a minus c, we will write b plus c minus a. Yes, c will get multiplied with all the terms, we will write c plus a minus b, and after that minus a, it is c plus a minus b. In the same way, here we are going to solve. A will get multiplied with a plus b minus c, and minus b will get multiplied with a plus b minus c. Now we need to just simplify and get the answer. B into b is b square plus bc minus ab. Here minus cb minus plus is minus c square, minus minus is plus ac, plus c into c is c square, and here ca plus minus cb, minus a into c is minus ac, minus plus is minus a square, minus minus is plus ab. In the same way, we are going to expand. A into a is a square, a into b is ab, a into minus a is minus ac. And the last part, minus b into a is minus ba, minus b into plus b, it is minus b square, and minus minus is plus, that is bc. So let us see which all terms are getting reduced. So from here it is b square, and at the end you can see minus b square. It is minus c square plus c square, a square minus a square. Now bc minus bc, here minus ab plus ab, here ac minus ac. Now ca minus AC, it is getting reduced, minus CB plus BC, it is also getting reduced, and AB minus AB, everything is getting reduced. So finally x to the power 0 is equals to 1. This becomes the answer. Students, I hope that you have understood. If you have understood the concept, you can simply use it and try to implement it. I have tried to solve this complicated question for you so that you can get some idea from it. Thank you, and thank you, and all the best for your future.